Hello everyone, my name is Sana Anjum from 8th standard. I want to take few moments to brief you about Omicron virus. On 26 November, WHO's Technical Advisory Group on SARS-CoV-2 virus evaluation tech designated the B.1.529 variant, first reported by South Africa few days earlier as a variant of concern named Omicron. All viruses, including the COVID-19 virus, change over time. This is a natural phenomenon. However, some mutations or combinations of mutations might change the way the virus behaves. Omicron is of concern because it has a large number of mutations, some of which have been associated with potential increased transmissibility and possible immune escape. At the same time, there are mutations that have never been documented before. Because of this, the Omicron variant needs to be investigated for us to have a better understanding of its potential impacts. As mentioned, it is the Delta variant that is dominating transmission in the European region, and responding to it should be our priority right now. What is WHO doing in response to Omicron? WHO is working with countries and partners to understand the potential impact of this variant on our existing preventive measures, including vaccines. Most common symptoms are fever, cough, tiredness, and loss of taste or smell. Serious symptoms are difficult breathing or confusion or chest pain. What can we do as individuals to stop the virus circulating? Wearing a well-fitting mask, maintaining physical distance of at least 1 meter, improving ventilation of indoor spaces, avoiding crowded or confined closed settings, regularly cleaning hands, coughing or sneezing into a bent elbow or tissue. Thank you and stay safe.